Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing good. It's been a very long time since I last came up on YouTube. So I've got two things here with me. On one side of my face, I'm going to show you the professional way of using a foundation, and the other side, I'm just going to show you how the foundation should not be used, which most content creators and influencers are going in with. So let's get started. I have one silicone based primer and one silicone based foundation. This foundation is a gorgeous foundation, so this primer. I have already moisturized my face, so I'm just going to go in with primer, warm it up. For your update, I got married, I have a kid, I have a beautiful baby boy. That's it. That's my life update. Where was I? What did I do? I divided the screen for a better understanding. Right side is the professional way of doing the foundation, whereas left side will give you lots and lots of patches and even look uneven in a longer term. If you see, I have applied foundation directly onto my cheek on the left side, and on the right side I've taken it on palette and then applied it. It will give a seamless effect, and even you can see the unevenness on the brushes. If you see this side of my face, it's more flawless, more even. The blushes are in the season, but still it's not working for you. Wait, I'm here to help. So I have this Huda Beauty blush in my hand. I'm just going to show you the way you are doing it and the way it should be done. So this side I'm going to show you the way it should be done, and this side it's going to be how are you doing it. So I have the shade Strawberry Cream from Huda Beauty, the new blush collection. On my right side, I show you how to use the blush properly, and on the left side, again the same mistake. Taking the blush directly onto your face will move the foundation and the powders. Take it on the palette and thank me later. This is how it should be done. This side versus this side. This looks fuller and this looks chiseled. That is a major difference when it comes to choosing your blush technique, because it depends on how do you want to look like. You want to look chubby, you want to look pretty, you want to look cute. Enough synonyms. And if you want to look chiseled, model-like face and contoured, then you should apply this technique. And if you would like to look chubby, cute, K-dramas and everything, then you can go ahead with this one. But in whatever scenario, do not do your blush directly on your cheek. Just warm the blush up and then put it on your cheek. That's the basic rule when it comes to blush, liquid, any liquid. Just warm that product on your hand or on the palette and then put it on your face. Do not dab right here. That will create patches, unnecessary, more blending, more hard work. Just quit that. Take it on your palette and then just swirl it with the finger and then put the brush in for that even finish. I hope you find it helpful. Hi guys, I'm going to show you the easiest way of applying the eyeshadow with using just 3 products and also 3 shades of eyeshadow. That's it. You can get those shades in any palette. You don't need to buy a specific palette for that. So let's get started. So let me just do my base real quick. You can use any concealer to do your base. This is not those 3 products. I'm going to tell you when the 3 product stage starts. So I'm just going to do concealer. We need a good base for our eye. Then I'm going to take a little bit of loose powder and just pack that before putting any eyeshadow on it. So make sure there are no lines and then you're putting the powder. I'm using Norvina Collection palette. You can use any palette, not necessary to go for this one only. I'm just going to show you the shades that I'll be using so that you can just choose those shades from any palette that you have. One transition shade, one shade for the outer corner and an eyelid topper. So let's go ahead and create the look. I'm just going to go in with the light shade first. Just tap off the excess. Then I'm going to go in with the flat shadow brush. With no hassle at all. And number 3 would be your mascara. I'm using One Coat Mascara by Huda Beauty. And that is how you can achieve your favorite eyeshadow look in 3 simple steps. If you find this video helpful, do leave it a like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. See you in my next one.